In this video, we will study the calculation of value of acceleration due to gravity. We generally take g equal to 9.8 meter per second square. But how this value came, we will calculate it in this video. Take let a stone piece or something is near the earth's surface. We will consider the distance between the stone and the center of the earth is equal to radius of the earth, that is RE, and the value of RE is radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter, and the mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. You always have to memorize, keep in memory the mass of the earth, radius of the earth, mass of the moon, radius of the moon, distance of the moon from the earth. These things are well memorized, keep in by you. Now, according to Newton's law of gravitation, the force of attraction between the stone or body and the earth is F. I have taken F. Then F is equal to me, mass of the earth, product of the mass is G M by RE square. If due to this force F, acceleration produced in the body of mass M equal to A, then F is equal to ma by Newton's second law of motion. F equal to ma, this will be equation 2. This is the force which is exerted by the earth on the surface on the body. Therefore, these two F are same. Comparing one and two, we will get ma equal to G MEM by RE square. Now we can cancel M and M from both sides. We will get A equal to G ME by RE square. One thing keep in mind, this acceleration is due to the force of gravity, hence we can take it acceleration due to gravity r small g. And we see that the value of acceleration is independent of mass of the body, whether it is light body or heavy body. Whether it is light body or heavy body, no matter, acceleration will be the same. Means acceleration due to gravity is not affected by the mass of the body. Now put the value G 6.67 and take it at G into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square into ME 6 into 10 to the power 24 by RE square, means 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 whole square. We will be meter per second square. Now calculate it. 6.67 into 10 to the power, not 10, into 6 into 10 to the power 24 minus 11 by 6.4 into 6.4 into 10 to the power 12. 1 2 digit decimal, after decimal 2 digit I have 1 2 digit. Cancel this. 667 into 6 by 64 into 64 into 10 to the power 13. This will be minus 12. 332. 667 into 3 by 64 into 32 into 10. Cut this. 516. Now on multiplying 667 by 3 we get 20001, and by multiplying 64 by 16 we will get 1024. Thus this 5 and 201, on multiplying this number we will get this, and by this on dividing this 10,005 by 1024 we will get 9.77. Thus the value of G equal to 9.77 meters per second square, which is approximately, on rounding, 9.8 meters per second square. But this is not constant. This changes from place to place. If we go higher, the value of G will decrease. If we go deep into the mines, the value of G will decrease. But we will study in next 2 videos.